Alright friends, in this session we will learn how to use arbitrary arguments to handle a flexible number of parameters in a function. So, what is an arbitrary argument? So sometimes we don't know how many arguments will be passed to the function. So we can use args. You can accept any number of arguments. So these arguments, so important, are stored as a tuple. So you can loop through them. Let's do an example. We can calculate sum of numbers using arbitrary arguments. Let's define it. I define def function and then sum numbers. That's my function name. And inside the parentheses, I give star and then numbers. This star means that's an arbitrary argument. We use it. So let's calculate. I define a total variable. I initialize my total variable and I assign 0. And then I open for loop for calculating sum of numbers. For loop, inside the for loop, I say number and then in I give my tuple name. What's my tuple name? Numbers. So I need to calculate it. How I can calculate? Total is equal to total plus number. And after calculating, I can print it inside the function or I can return the value. I can print it inside the function. I say total sum and then I put my comma. What's my variable? Total. Let's call this function. What's my function name? Sum numbers. So I am right now outside the function. I paste it, I open my parentheses, I give my arguments, for example 5 and 4. You see right now the numbers tuple becomes 5 and 4. The first number value will be 5 and second number value will be 4. So I open my pen. You see right now in the beginning total is 0 and then number is 5 and total becomes 5. And it iterates over in my second loop. Number becomes 4. That's 4 and total number is 5. 5 plus 4, it becomes 9. You see total number is 9 right now. So if I run it, you see total sum is 9. You can also pass more numbers. Let's do it. 5, 4 and 6, 7 and 8. If I run it, you see total sum is 30. 5 and plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. These are 15, 2, 15 plus 15, 30. Total sum is 30. Super. Here, as you see, the function loops through each number in the numbers tuple, and it adds each number to the total. And finally, it prints the total sum. So, in conclusion, arbitrary arguments is useful when you don't know how many inputs you will receive. See you in the next lesson.